Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. The best affordable drones under $100 are a great place to start if you're new to drones, or looking for a great hobby for your youngster. These low-cost drones are just as fun for adults as they are for kids, and they're a terrific way to learn the fundamentals before upgrading to a more advanced and pricier model. While they may not be as glamorous or innovative as their more costly equivalents, numerous solutions are reliable, simple, and provide a positive user experience. If you're looking for more information about the products, you can find it in the description below. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of drone under $100 on the market. Number 1.
Introducing the DEERC D10. Foldable and portable to take anywhere, with a stunning 2K HD camera and up to 30 minutes flight time. Do tricks like 360 flip and circle fly. Gravity control makes it easy for all experience levels. Set waypoint flight path in the app. Enjoy flying with the DEERC D10.
Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5.